Okay, so I was just about to start my reading. It's something that I like to do in the evenings in my favorite armchair here. It is I've just finished work about an hour ago, and of course it is dark. Shall we do this with a curtain? No, we can leave it a little bit. It's not very distracting. So I'm just in my favorite corner on the armchair. I showed you the bracelet that Fedoma sent me, and actually I'm gonna put it on. I don't know if the sparkle that it has is coming through the video, but it's so beautiful. It's very dainty, very simple, minimal, and very sparkly, and that's what I love. And I like layering it with other bracelets. I don't have any chunky bracelets. Most of my bracelets are very dainty, very thin in gold. So I think this one will be a nice addition. Thank you again, Fedoma. And today I was working from home. I had a bit of a fun day. So in the morning I made a cup of coffee. I had my great coffee, and then I always like to make some filter coffee just to keep me going for the rest of the day. And I accidentally spilled pretty much the whole mug of coffee on my laptop. This has never happened to me before, but as they always say, there's always a first time for everything. So I panicked. It was very early in the morning. I think it was around 6 o'clock. I panicked a little bit. I started cleaning the laptop while the laptop was still on, which apparently I read afterwards that this is not advisable. You should switch it off and then try and clean. And for the first part of the day, to cut a very long story short, the laptop was not working. So I panicked. Kay was here. He always just calms me down a lot because he's better in situations like this than me. But usually when I panic I don't talk. I'm just trying to process things on my mind. At least, imagine if I was like screaming or anything. At least I'm not doing that. Anyway, it's 6 o'clock in the evening. The laptop screen has come to life. So hopefully everything is okay. So I was about to sit down and just chill because it was a stressful day, and I wanted to start reading, and I wanted to share the 3 books actually that I have some of them I've read and some of them I'm currently reading for this year. So we have another New Year's resolution, one book a month, and see how it goes. So I've just finished. This was actually book number 2 for the year. It's from Agatha Christie, Caribbean Mystery. This book is in Greek. How is it in English? Not sure. I'm a big Agatha Christie fan. Yes, the title in English is A Caribbean Mystery. I love the Caribbean. I'd love to visit at some point. And I think books from Agatha Christie are just so enjoyable, light reads, and really, really nice stories with twists all the time. Then I started reading Lucinda Riley's from the Seven Sisters series, The Pearl Sister. And as I was reading along, I thought, I think I've read this book, because I've read The Seven Sisters, I've read the first few sister books, couple, and I couldn't remember if I've read this one. Some things, some stories ring a bell, and some others, as I carry on reading, do not. So I thought, I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna read it and see how I feel about it. I am currently at page 138, so the aim is to carry on reading. And then, in case I abandoned this book, I started another one. This is called The Mimosa Tree Mystery by Aeyde. I like Asian writers, authors. I really like their writing, their aesthetic. It's very calming. I don't know. For some reason, I like it. So these are the 3 books that I wanted to share with you in this video. I have some more in my library for the upcoming months, and I will always try to share what I'm reading, either through videos or little shorts or little photos that I share on my community posts, in case you want some inspiration. And for the last part of this video, I wanted to do a little unboxing. I was at Harrods the other day, and I didn't have a chance to browse the Christmas sale, the winter sale at all, because I was in Greece for the whole time that the sale was on. I think the sale finished last weekend, which was our first weekend back to London, but of course I spent it at home. I didn't go to Harrods for shopping. But the following week I popped into Shoe Heaven, and the sale had finished, but they still had a few pieces and they labeled them as seasonal reductions. So casually I went, I had a look, browsed, and I found a pair of flats, Mary Jane's, my favorite flat style in all honesty, from a brand, a German brand that I really loved for quite some time, and I wanted to get a pair, and I was happy that I found these on sale. They're not in black. Black would have been amazing, but they're not in black. They are in silver. So this is the box. The brand is called Aeyde, if I pronounce it correctly. It is from Berlin, so it's a German brand. It was founded in 2015. It has a female founder. I think the founder's name is Luisa, if I'm not wrong. And I really love the aesthetic. It's very minimalistic. They do shoes and accessories as well. At Harrods we carry some of their shoes, not a lot, but you can find a lot of their styles on Net-a-Porter. They always have beautiful ranges for so many brands. I love Net-a-Porter. And we don't have any accessories, but you can check the website if you're interested. So very timeless, classic and classy shoes from Aeyde, and I feel that every single piece that they do is perfect for capsule wardrobe lovers. This is the dust bag, so it only had one, so you put in the bag both shoes. And let me show you. I love the white box. In general, I love packaging in black and white. I think if I ever had, let's say, a label or anything, these two colors would be the ones that I would choose for the packaging and the aesthetic. And by the way, I'm wearing a black and white cause sweater today. What more can I say? So let's unbox this. I've worn them once to the office, but I didn't commute in these shoes because they are quite sensitive. So voila, can we see? It blends really nicely with the white paper. So these are the infamous UMA flats, Mary Janes, that the brand does, and they are very, very popular, quite viral, I would say. And I got them in silver. As I said, of course they do them in black, but black was full price. And I want to show you the style a little bit. I absolutely love it, and it has this little twist here. I don't know if you can see properly, and the shoes are made in Italy. I mean, how amazing is that? Beautiful craftsmanship, and at the back, this is their signature style. I love that this little strap is super thin. Let me just remove the paper so you can see it a little bit better, and it's all in leather. It is super soft, but over here it is quite structured. I really like them. How much do they retail for? I think they're around £290. Let's check if there's anything in the box. They're true to size to begin with. There is no price here, but I think they are £290 because I had my eyes on them. So I think I remember the price correctly. And they were down to £145. Of course, I have staff discount because I work at Harrods. And actually, I got them for free because I had a cash balance on my rewards card. And I just paid with my points. Someone is calling me. Let me just reject the call. It's probably spam. So yeah, it was a nice little gift to myself. I'm currently on a no spend month, so I think it was quite useful, helpful that I didn't have to pay for the shoes, but I really got a pair of shoes that I've been eyeing for a long time. And I think color wise, this color, the silver one, can brighten up a very dark outfit, black or grays. I do wear a lot of black. I do have a lot of gray pieces as well. And as we go move towards spring and summer, I love silver with white pieces. I think it's very clean and very elegant. Voila, that was from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you in my next one. I think I'm gonna carry on reading the Mimosa Tree Mystery now.